Anyone who thought Jaguar had turned its back on the estate car segment should take a look at the latest XF Sportbrake. The large estate car is stylish, good to drive and offers an impressive amount of pace even in the entry-level diesel models. The cavernous load area is a match for all but the Mercedes E-Class estate, while the interior offers more space than the old model. The driving position is superb, while an inspiring interior and so-so infotainment system are the only real areas of concern. The original XF was launched at the 2007 Frankfurt Motor Show, replacing the aging and Ford-based Jaguar S-Type. The first XF Sportbrake was revealed in 2012 before an all-new XF arrived towards the end of 2015. If you're buying an estate car, the load capacity will be an important consideration. At 565 liters, the XF Sportbrake offers only 25 liters more than the saloon, but the space is more usable due to its square shape. The optional electric tailgate opens to reveal a huge opening, while the 40-20-40 split rear bench folds flat to create a totally flush load area and up to 1,700 liters of capacity. At 640 liters, the Mercedes E-Class estate offers a larger load area, while the XF is 5 liters smaller than a BMW 5 Series Touring, but 5 liters bigger than the Volvo V90. At 4,955 mm in length, the XF Sportbrake is only 1 mm longer than the saloon and 22 mm longer than the Mercedes E-Class estate. At 2,091 mm width and 1,496 mm height, it's also slightly wider and taller than the E-Class. The Sportbrake, Jaguar's fancy name for an estate car, offers a practical 565 liters of boot space, which can be extended to 1,700 liters with the rear seats folded flat. Rivals include the equally cavernous Audi A6 Avant, BMW 5 Series Touring and Mercedes E-Class estate. It's based on the XF saloon and costs an average of $2,400 more across the range. The Sportbrake is identical to the saloon until you reach the B-pillar, where the roofline stays high and continues past to the rear to reveal a traditional estate car back end. The tailgate is dominated by the F-Type inspired rear light clusters. An 8-speed automatic transmission is standard, although the entry-level diesel can be equipped with a 6-speed manual gearbox, saving $1,750 in the process. Engines range from a 161 bhp 2.0-liter turbo diesel through to a thundering 296 bhp 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged diesel. The sole petrol engine is a 2.0-liter turbocharged unit developing 247 bhp. You won't match the saloon's headline 76 mpg in the XF Sportbrake, although the smallest diesel engine is the economy champ, with a claimed 62.8 mpg on a combined cycle. Upgrade to the 178 bhp version and the economy drops to 61 mpg in the rear-wheel drive version and 56.5 mpg when fitted with all-wheel drive. Things get a little trickier when choosing between the 237 bhp 4-cylinder diesel and the fire-crackling 3.0-liter V6. At 48.7 mpg, the 2.0-liter diesel is more efficient than the 3.0-liter's figure of 47.9 mpg, but the larger engine will feel less stressed under heavy loads.